Y'all, I'm going to Wawa's for breakfast or lunch. We'll see. I guess brunch. We'll see what I feel like eating. Yeah, so I wind up getting some chips, or orange juice, and I got a beef and cheese quesadilla. Let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. Oh, help me, huh? That side. There it goes, y'all. This is it. And here we go, y'all. Have the first bite. Beef and cheese quesadilla, breakfast quesadilla. Mmm. It's good. It's good. I recommend you put the salsa on it because it gives it some, it makes it more juicier. It's really good, y'all. It's really, really good. Look at that. You can get it with sour cream. I have some sour cream to add to it. Mmm. Mmm. Go to Wawa's and get you a quesadilla, y'all. Their breakfast quesadillas are bomb. Ta-ta. I'm gonna go and finish my breakfast. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.